Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a jewelry haul and unboxing. The jewelry that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is from a company called Italo Jewelry, and they are an online jewelry store. I will link all of their information and the jewelry that I'm sharing with you guys down in the description box in case you want to check them out. Italo Jewelry sent me 4 pieces of jewelry to share with you guys. The first 2 pieces are in the first box here that I am about to open. With each purchase, you do receive one of these little pouches. You also get jewelry care cleaning instructions. You also get one of these little polishing cloths to keep your jewelry clean. And also information about your warranty and the return and exchange policy. You also get this certificate of authenticity letting you know that your jewelry is 925 sterling silver. So now that all the paperwork is cleared off, these are what the actual jewelry boxes look like. And now we're going to get into the fun part. I'm going to show you the jewelry items that I picked. The first item here is a ring that I chose for myself. It's this beautiful 3-stone pear cut ring. Like I mentioned, it is sterling silver, and the stones they use are lab-created sapphires. It is a little on the big side, but I wanted something that I could wear when I go out as a statement piece, and I thought this was the perfect one. And here's a close-up of what it looks like on my actual hand. And here's a view from the side of the ring. It does have stones going around the outside. The next item that I chose is for my mother, and it's actually a ring set. It's also a pear cut ring with a halo around it, and it comes with a matching band. I think this is gorgeous. This is probably my favorite piece that I chose. And here's a close-up of what it looks like on my hand. I think this ring is really sparkly. I love all the details in it, and I think my mom is really going to like it too. So now we're going to get into the second box. I also have 2 more pieces of jewelry in here to share with you guys. So it comes with all of the same information as the previous box did. You get your warranty card, your return and exchange policy, the cleaning cloth, the little bag, and your sterling silver certificate. The next item that I'm going to unbox is also another ring. As you can see, I love rings, and I also chose this for myself. It's another 3-stone ring, and it has 3 oval stones. The middle stone is a yellow topaz, and then there's the white sapphires on each side. I had really been wanting a yellow stoned ring for quite a while now, so I got this to wear on my right hand, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. And here's what it looks like from the side. And the last piece of jewelry that I'm going to share with you guys today is a bracelet, and I picked this bracelet out for my 12-year-old daughter. So the bracelet I chose is a sterling silver bracelet with a heart in the middle. It's very light and dainty, and I know she will love this. And here's what it looks like on my hand. It is adjustable, so you can make it smaller or bigger depending on the size of your wrist. She can wear this with just about anything, and I think she's really going to like it. So that is all of the jewelry that I have to share with you guys today from Italo Jewelry. I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I mentioned, I will have all of the links down in the description box to all the pieces that I showed today. I'll also have a coupon code for an extra 20% off. They also do ship worldwide, so definitely check them out if you are in the market for some new jewelry pieces to add to your collection. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.